Do you know what is the similarity between a laborer and you? Both of you work hard for 10 to 10 hours a day. But there is a small difference between them and you. Their monthly income is 10 to 12,000 and yours is less than. Reason for this is also simple. You enter the niche where there is more competition and then start copying them, then you expect that now I will get views and I will also become Ambani, but in reality there are thousands of channels like yours, which are much better than you. If you are making better videos, then you have told me the problem. Now what is its solution? The solution is in front of your eyes and it is very simple. You just have to enter the competition and make top-level videos. Now for example, you can see all these channels, so you must have seen Mr. Nightmare, Scary Pumpkin, Bloody Monday. And you must also know that they all make videos in the horror story niche. But if I ask you to tell me the names of some channels in the crime story niche, will you have any idea? There won't be any talk about it, because no big creators have come in this niche yet. So we just have to take advantage of it. So people, today, in this video, I will teach you step by step how you too can make an interesting and engaging crime story video, and that too from your mobile. So let me not waste much time now. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, then I know that if you still will not subscribe, then there is no use in saying so. Let us now show you once again the video created by us. The video will start. The wedding mandap was decorated, preparations for the wedding were going on, and the bride suddenly disappeared. Did she run away? Or did someone hide her? The truth was not what everyone had thought. Ria and Anshuman got married in a small village. There was a lot of excitement. Ria, who was the most beautiful girl of the village, looked very happy about her wedding. Seeing her smile, no one could have imagined that her fate was going to change in a few hours. In the evening, people started gathering in the pavilion to the tunes of music. Suddenly a scream was heard from the bride's room. When people ran there, Ria was missing. Only her broken bracelet and a strange paper was found on which was written that I have made a mistake, do not look for me. On reading this, there was a commotion in the whole village. The family members were in shock, and Shuman's anger and restlessness was clearly visible. The police were called and investigation began. During this I came to know that for an interesting story first you have to open ChatGPT and type this promotion. You will get it in Tigra channel. So basically through this promotion ChatGPT will give us ideas for some interesting crime stories which do not waste much of our time. It is not that all the ideas will be good, but whichever idea can make an interesting story. ChatGPT has a prompt to write a story in Hindi according to that, and to add the perfect hook and suspense, this prompt is also music. And if you want to make changes in some parts of the story, you can do that. Otherwise, leave it as it is. Then we will copy this and go ahead to do voiceover in Elevenlabs. Then paste the text and click on find more voices. And here you have to take a good voiceover according to the crime story by clicking on narrative and story. You can use Oliver's voice, which will be good for the crime story narration. Then, if you want to do a crisp and clear voice over with emotions, then you can use my voiceover. You can watch the video in which you will get complete knowledge of voiceover. Then you have to generate the voice and download it. Now to generate the image, come back to ChatGPT and paste the story, then type this prompt. Generate 30. It promises to generate images for this story scene by scene, and it should give crime thriller cinematic vibes. Now, look,